Hello, this is a tutorial on how to change your printer's configuration settings to switch between the Auger system or the clay extruder. To get to the config file, we're going to click on System under File Management. You then click on the config.g file, and we need to change the two settings. The first setting is on M569 on the drive that is responsible for moving E, which is the extruder. We're going to change the R value to 1. We also need to change the steps per millimeter setting, which is M92. We're going to change the E value to 500. You can then save the config file. If it does not prompt you to restart the board, you still must do so. You can do so by restarting the printer or pressing the emergency stop button in the top right. You also need to change the settings in your slicing software. Here in Simplify 3D, the important settings to change are the nozzle diameter setting, the layer height setting, and the filament diameter setting. Our auger system has a 1-inch nozzle by default, so we are going to change the millimeter setting to 25.4, which is approximately 1 inch. On the layer height setting, we're going to change it to 10 millimeters, which is just a recommendation. And then on the filament diameter setting, we are going to change it to 51, which is approximately 2 inches. This setting must be set correctly to have the auger system move at the correct speeds and flow rates. And that is it.